Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset Jotform tables to default view. This is incredibly useful when you've made several customizations to your table columns and want to quickly restore them back to their original settings without manually undoing each change. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password associated with your Jotform account to access your workspace. After signing in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. Look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace. Click on that option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This section houses all the tables you've created or have access to within your Jotform account. Now you'll see a list of all your available tables. Browse through them and locate the specific table you want to reset. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it. This will take you directly into the table interface where you can see all your data and customizations. At the top of your table, you'll notice the tab name displayed. Click directly on this tab name to ensure you're working within the correct view. This is important because Jotform allows multiple tabs within a single table, and you want to make sure you're resetting the right one. Next, look to the right of the tab name where you'll find the three dots icon. This icon typically represents additional options or settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can take for this particular tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Reset Columns to Default. This option is specifically designed to revert all your column customizations back to their original state. It's a quick way to undo any filtering, sorting, or column arrangement changes you've made. A confirmation pop will appear on your screen asking you to verify this action. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental resets. Click the Reset to Default button in this pop-up to confirm that you want to proceed with resetting your columns. Finally, keep an eye on the top right corner of your screen. You should see a success message appear, confirming that your table columns have been successfully reset to their default view. Your table is now back to its original configuration. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.